Hi, I'm Corey. Welcome to my channel, The Corey Story. We're going to take you on a little adventure here today. We're going to go ahead and do our first time with magnet fishing. I got my son here with me, Tanner, behind the camera.
What's up?
And we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. You guys can leave comments, you can laugh with us, subscribe to the channel, and give us a like. Here we go. Here we are. We're at Scott Lake. This is one of our little lakes here in Childress. I think this looks like a good spot here, Tanner.
Yeah?
Let's see what we can find. Get my phone down. Let's see why he has it on. Ooh. Definitely feel something there.
It's gonna be nice.
Really? Catching on that.
We got mud.
Nothing but mud. Oh. And why do I not have the gloves on? Tanner! What's the point of gloves if you don't use them?
True. You even said at the beginning.
Like I said, this could be very entertaining, guys. We have no idea what we're doing here. Okay, let's see if I can. Tutorials is not stepping on your rope. Now I understand why. It's easy to do. I have a feeling that on your first throw, you're gonna get something.
I don't know.
Never fails. Ooh.
Some resistance?
Felt like it went across something.
Probably something on the floor.
Stick or something, but it felt kind of magnetic.
More mud, looks like.
Yeah, nothing in it. I can feel something grabbing though. Right over here.
It's heavier than I thought.
Yeah. Alright, we're letting Tanner give it a try. This is his first throw. Not bad for first throw. You can feel it hit every little bump down there, huh?
Yeah.
Every once in a while I can feel it pull magnetically.
Yeah.
There's something in there. It's not enough surface to get a hold of it.
Probably not.
Yeah, see, that's what I was feeling. Could just be the rocks that's getting caught up on down there.
Yeah, tell me I got anything.
No, maybe the rocks are knocking stuff off.
Maybe.
Don't hit yourself with it.
I'll try not to.
We're trying to make this not end with a hospital trip.
Yep.
It does look like they've cleaned this up. This used to all be overgrown. And the water level's way out. You can see where the banks, that's where the water's always been. I've never seen it out this low. But they've cleaned up. Over there used to be a shopping cart in the middle. We'll go over to that area here in a minute.
Supposedly it's just really big in there.
Yeah.
No, I can see it.
Kind of thinking of trying the grappling hook. Alright, let's try a new area. Pull my pants up and get ready.
Yeah.
That was a horrible throw.
A bit. Hey, might catch something though.
How about horrible? That was really awkward.
Yeah. Hey, you caught the carabiner. Oh no, you actually caught something.
Yeah. Got some weights.
Yeah.
First find. Here.
No, come a bit closer.
We're hooked to that there. Nice. Look out, duckies.
Oh, holy crap.
Oh, we got some.
Wow.
That fight. Our first find.
Yeah.
Man. Well, we found something, Tanner.
Yeah.
Our first find. Let's see what else. Well, so far it's looking like coming this way is working for us.
Yeah.
We got partial lid to a can. Our bottom. Another weight.
Another way.
Yeah, we found a pretty good area.
Yeah. Got that can lid.
I lost the weight. It's down there.
Oh, I see it. Right by your foot.
Oh, there it is. And a fishing weight.
Yeah, also got that.
Put all our finds over there. I think something's dug in.
Maybe.
It's buried in the mud.
Oh, hey. Ooh. What's that, a stick? Is that a pair of pliers?
Cool. It's been in there for a long time.
Has
It's
to
a
have
can
been.
opener.
Oh, wow. That's real old.
Plastic. I don't know how long it's been down there, but
Has to have been in there for a while for it to rust that bad.
you can see, you can barely see the mechanisms. It's
Yeah.
corroded, it's eroded a lot. Cool.
Yeah,
You want to give it a try?
sure.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. I was feeling stuff everywhere in there. And when I'd feel it kind of pull, I'd kind of let some slack on it. Let it go back to see if it was pulling the magnet back. Oh, there's a big there. Oh, I don't know. There's something active there. Yeah, that's where I keep getting hit on. I don't know if it's just a big rock. It's getting underneath or what.
I just got a fishing rod.
You got a whole rod?
Oh, no, I don't have a pipe.
Oh, you got a pipe?
It looked like a fishing rod. I got a lure.
Nice. Somebody might have been using that fish.
Maybe. So I got a big rod. And like a small, like, kid's fishing lure. That's all wrapped up in the thing. Yep, there you go. Oh no, we caught the, actual thing to it.
Oh, wow.
It's nice.
Awesome. Cool, cool. Nice throw.
So here we have the lid to the Corona and then a rusty nail going into the spot. Hey, you gotta take down. Look at that.
Can, big shot.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Alright, don't step on the rope. Ooh,
How'd you get something?
I think that's the spot where. Well, oh,
Whoa, this guy's a knife.
just found a knife.
How old does it look?
Possible murder weapon.
Possible murder weapon. Gotta call the cops, right?
Yep.
No, it looks like someone.
Look, and it was burnt.
Yeah. Probably someone used it to like cut up some birch.
Yeah.
That's a good find. I could probably use it.
Not much rust on it. It hasn't been in there that long.
Hasn't been in a bit.
Not very long at all.
Nope.
Well, we're gonna stay in this spot. Finding some good stuff.
Yeah.
More than likely it was used to cut bait, but. Alright, let's do my last toss and I'll give you a couple.
Okay. What? That's something magnetic.
That's magnetic, bud.
Did it let go? No, it's coming with you. Yeah, you got something for sure. How much slack you have? It doesn't look like that. Hey, you caught something.
Oh, bike fork.
Heck yeah.
I think that's the best one yet.
Mm-hmm. Something actually useful.
I don't know about useful. It's been down there a while.
Yeah. It's still a really pretty find.
It's still the. That just might be going to the middle. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Here are our finds for the day. We got that big pipe, we got that bottle, the can opener, the knife, little pipe, can, and the bicycle forks. Not bad for a very first time magnet fishing. Plus the hooks and weights that we caught today, so this was I'd say a successful first magnet fishing trip. Well, I think we're gonna call it today. We gotta get Boy to work, so we caught a few things for our first trip. I don't think that was too bad. I think we